HPK 60 hydraulic angle roll is specifically engineered for bending diverse metal profiles, such as angle irons, channels, rods, flat bars, tubes, and pipes up to 3 inches. Its versatility makes it suitable for a broad range of applications in metal fabrication. Ring rollers are capable of bending a variety of materials, such as steel, aluminum, stainless steel, and various alloys. Roll benders offer the flexibility of incorporating optional steel or plastic dies, enabling the rolling of diverse profiles, such as aluminum extrudes, square tubes, pipes, and rods. You can operate the profile bending machine in 2 positions: vertically for small rolling projects and horizontally for longer sections of material. This flexibility is essential for meeting diverse project needs. HPK 60 roller bender comes standard with 1 adjustable roll set that you can configure to roll flat bars, square bars, T-sections, and channels to suit your needs. Top roll, moved by a hydraulic cylinder, facilitates the easy adjustment of the rolling diameter. This machine can be equipped with optional digital readout to assist in monitoring the travel of the top roll, ensuring precise bending radius and preventing overbending. Lateral roll guides facilitate the formation of coils. This tube roller comes with 3 powered rolls using a heavy-duty industrial motor and transmission, powered by a 600-volt, 3-phase, 3-horsepower motor and CSA-approved electric panel. For pricing and details, reach out to us at novotechmachinetools.com.